Hi, welcome to the Gerry Lynch show. Today this is our first snowstorm, so we're going to be driving in it and see what the roads are like. Sit back and enjoy. Right when I'm leaving my house. So yeah, this is the driveway. Oh boy. Oh my god, look at the main road. Oh. Woo, she looks slick. Pump my brake and checker. Not that bad. I got good winter tires on and studded tires, so. Oh my god, look at the main road. Oh, they well got this salted. Yeah, they will have got this salted. Yeah. Oh boy. Now, what's Brazos Hill like? Steep, big old steep hill. Anybody gone at the ditch, I wonder? Let's see. Whew, man, time to turn that heat down. Holy crap, look at Brazos Hill. It is 2:47 p.m. Holy moly. Boy, I say she's slick getting back up too. Oh man, look at the main road, guys. Like, this is like crazy. Oh, this hasn't been touched. This hasn't been plowed. It's never been plowed. It's been salted, but they never plowed it. Holy crap. You less 10, no? Look, he going off the road. Where the hell's Buddy going? See that? Look! Look at his tracks. Holy moly, guys, you see that? He was literally driving off the road just then. $1.16.3 gas is. That's a liter, so that's a lot more than down states. Down states, see, you get by the gallon. Up here you pay by 1 liter. If you guys didn't know that, well, you know, you're educated. Man, what's up with this guy? Look at him. He's all over the road. Back there again, just then. God, there's no trouble with say like tracks and see it. I can see it. This guy is like, oh. Well, if he records the accident, that's proof that some people can't drive in the snow. I'm doing perfectly fine. I'm chasing the tracks. I'm not going bumpity bump all over the road and swerving like he is. Oh, stop it, wiper. Stop farting. My wiper's farting. Every time he goes up, comes back. It's not enough to keep him on, not enough to keep him off. Wait a second. If I turn it down, I think that's turned them up. Turn down the other way. He's been okay so far. Back there, oh my God, he's all over the road. There's a blue Ford pickup. Yeah, this hill sanded pretty good. Oh. Yeah, we're in Bay Roberts here now, going up Central Hill. Okay, maybe I gotta turn her up a bit. I just gotta put up with the like that. Guys, can you guess where I'm going? I left my home. Can you guys guess where I'm going? Write in the comments below. Now guys, you're gonna see, oh my God, there's a snowplow. Oh my God, finally. It's 2:54 p.m. Ugh, smell of old burnt pavement. Smells like old burnt underwear or armor. Oh, this is dangerous. You're going down like this hill and there's a stoplight here. This is bad. Well, we're at McDonald's. Roadrunner. Alright guys, that was the road from, that was my little trip from my house to McDonald's. Alright, don't forget to like, subscribe and share guys. I love you all. Bye.